Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 216 of Trading Talk. It's pretty good to be back in the Trading Talk seat, and this week's episode is going to be called It's as Easy as 1, 2, 3. It's a pretty cheesy title, but it's a really great function that you'll definitely want to use in your own trading models. Can't give too much away, but the title will definitely make sense once you watch the full episode. I'm also going to show you some of the brand new features of TradeView X, such as the custom watch list. I absolutely love it. I'm pretty sure you'll love it as well. If you're not a subscriber and you aren't able to access the full video, now's the time to purchase the Trading Talk series. There's 216 episodes, and look, when you build them every single week, it's not going to be very long until your trading is on another level. I mean, just imagine you build all 216 episodes. Imagine how good you'll be by then. Now, if you want to see some seriously good traders in action, then you get along to this year's Algo Trading Conference. We've done some of the initial backtesting of the models, and as we've been working really closely with the speakers, you can have a look at what we've done in the video links below. Hope you enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk and the new features of TradeView X, and until next week, all the best with your trading.